Okay, ladies and gents, time for project 4. So, project 4 is called 3 parts. So you're all going to get one of these little handouts. So you're basically going to be finding an image, anything you want, and you separate it into 3 parts. They don't have to be like 100% equal. You don't need to measure. It's fine. So your first step is to find an image that you want to use. Now, what I had done in the past, and make sure your teacher's okay with this. If they're not, then you can just freehand it. It's not a big deal. Is I had the students send me an image, or they came up to me from my laptop, and we looked up a picture of what they wanted. And then I sized it up, so fit it on 2 pieces of paper, or in my case, I picked 3. Or you can do it this way, because this is going to be a big project. So this is the picture that I chose, and you see I just taped everything together. We got that here. And then you are going to transfer this. So basically what you're going to do, there's 2 options. So I have a light table in the back corner, which you can put a piece of paper over top of this, shine the light underneath it, and you'll be able to see the picture through. You just trace everything onto your new paper. Or you can use the charcoal transfer technique. Let me see if I have some charcoal. So this is your compressed charcoal. Kind of looks like what's on my forehead. It's Ash Wednesday today. But it's very messy, so I'm just touching it, it's all over my hands. So just be aware of that. And basically you will take your reference image once it's printed out. If it's in color, it's going to need to be printed in the elementary office, and you can all go one by one to go get it at the elementary office. It'll just be printed off there. And you just shade the whole back of, like, all of it. This is just an example, but you want to do the whole thing, okay? And then you lay this on your blank paper. You can tape it down. I honestly would recommend taping it. That way you know nothing's moving. Tape it down, and then you just go over all the lines that you want to transfer, and then those lines will be on this paper when you're done, okay? I just used the light table for mine. And once you have it transferred, what you will do is pick 3 different materials. So for mine, I chose pencil, paint, and colored pencil. So I chose colored pencil because I'm not the best at colored pencil. I chose just regular graphite pencil because I am good at it, and I knew that I would be good at it, and I just wanted to use it. And I used paint because it's in the middle for me. Sometimes it's okay, sometimes it's not. It really depends on the day. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to choose 3 different materials. You can choose anything we've got in here. We've got watercolors, we've got regular paint, we've got oil pastels, chalk pastels, markers, crayons, colored pencils. There's a bunch of different options. The only thing I ask from you for this project, make sure you are putting things back where you get them when you're done with them. And that's all. So I actually, for mine, I measured to make sure like everything was even. You don't have to do that. It's not a big deal if it's not 100%. You also don't have to do it this way. You can do like separate it, put a line here, put a line here instead. That's completely up to you. My design was very central, so I figured if I split it down this way, there would hardly be any other things on the side. So that's what I did. That's the project. It's a lot more in depth, a lot more difficult than the first few that you've done. So I hope it goes well. Good luck.